a comprehensive body fat reduction program. Introduction. Losing body fat is not just about looking good. It's about improving your health and well-being. Excess body fat can increase the risk of various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. To embark on a successful body fat loss journey, it's important to adopt a holistic approach that includes diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Number 1. Regular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise. Incorporate aerobic exercises like running, cycling, or swimming to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio per week. Flexibility and mobility. Don't neglect flexibility and mobility exercises like yoga or stretching. These can prevent injury and improve overall fitness. Number 2. Meal planning. Preparation is key. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Regular eating schedule. Aim to eat regular meals and snacks throughout the day to maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent overeating. Number 3. Mindful eating. Eat slowly. Savor each bite and eat slowly. It takes time for your body to signal fullness. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions while eating, such as watching TV or working on the computer. This can help you focus on your food and prevent overeating. Remember that losing body fat is a gradual process that requires commitment and patience. It's essential to focus on long-term health and sustainability rather than quick fixes or extreme measures. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.